My name's Shawn. Been incarcerated for 19 years. I'm at South Bend Community Reentry Center now and get released in 90 days. I completed 3 programs through Purdue University Manufacturing Partnership Extension Program. It was called Skills for Success. I liked the instructor, and he was cool. He made it fun, even when some of the things I thought was a little boring to me at the time. But we did little hands-on projects. We did the airplane Legos. We built a couple different models of things. He had this one setup, it was like plate A and plate B, and you had to screw different size bolts into it. And they had like things scattered out all on the table, and you had to pick through it and try to build these things as fast as you could. Then we ended up like taking the, eliminating waste from it and only having what you need, and had a little assembly line set up, and you see how things work faster if you're doing like batch production or just individual. Just the little projects that we did was cool. We actually did a couple hands-on projects at the South Bend Center. We 5S the property room and the clothing room. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. It's basically what all those classes were about, learning the 5S process. I've talked to a lot of other guys who it's a new thing that companies, if they haven't already done it, that they're getting on board, and it seems everyone wants to do it. I know some other guys that got hired on their jobs because they have this under their belt. If nothing else, it helps me because I've never been a real organized person, but just knowing the 5S process and practicing it the way that I am now, I'm getting better at organizing things.